All right, guys, so with this next exercise, we're going to be working with text in a slightly different way. And when you open up your file, you're going to see that it looks like this. There's a bunch of layers in the layers palette, and these are all shapes that have been created. We do a lot more of this type of stuff in Illustrator, but I want to show you that you can do it in Photoshop as well. So this is kind of a graphic design of a mountain range with some text. Now, you'll notice too that the mountain text is not a type layer, it's an object layer. And so I'm going to show you how to do that so that we can take some basic font like this and turn it into modifiable text where we can stretch parts of the letters and change the font to kind of customize it to our own design interests. Okay, now this text, for whatever reason, I can't find the exact same font as when I started with this. And so the mountain text here is a little thicker, but we're going to use the same one to achieve the results here. Okay, so this text here is not a type layer. This one is, which I'm hiding for now. We are going to be converting a basic line of text into an object. Okay, so I'm going to turn this one off so we can work with this type layer that I've already created for you. And what you're going to begin with is in the, I have to scoot this up a little bit, but in the type menu, we're going to choose convert to shape. Okay, and now all of a sudden this changes and we see all of these anchor points. Okay, so these anchor points we learned about last class. We can add anchor points with the pen tool, and with the direct select tool we can select them and modify them. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to select on both of these two on the bottom. So I'm going to hold the shift key to select both. I'm going to click on the line segment and I'm going to stretch that down. Okay, now you can select those just by clicking and dragging as well. So let's say I wanted to stretch these two. I can do all those things to make some changes to this text because now it is an object. Okay, so what I would like you guys to do is to play around with the type tool, change to an object, and go ahead and stretch those around. If we drag this one below this gray mountain, we can hide this part of the text itself so that we can layer them on top of each other. All right. So give that a try, and when you're finished, I'd like you to save this as a PSD file to your own folder and as a JPEG, which you're going to upload to the E05 Dropbox in Canvas.